Turkey has always been a bridge between worlds where history meets innovation and tradition inspires the future. Just south of Istanbul, in Yalova, a new chapter in yachting is being written. Welcome to RMK Yachts. But to truly understand RMK, you must understand the passion behind it and its history. RMK, the vision of Mr. RMK Koç, one of Turkey's most respected industrialists and a man deeply devoted to history, craftsmanship, and the sea. His love for the classic engineering and maritime heritage led him to create the renowned RMK Koç Museum, a museum dedicated to preserving industrial and nautical history. But for RMK Koç, preservation isn't just about displaying history, it's about restoring it, sailing it, keeping it alive. He personally acquires historic yachts, painstakingly rebuilds them, ensuring that timeless craftsmanship continues to inspire future generations. That philosophy has become the foundation of RMK Yachts. RMK Marine has long been recognized for building world-class mega yachts combining steel, aluminum, and advanced composite construction, refined interior craftsmanship, and the like. Today, that expertise expands into a brand new, state-of-the-art facility in Yalova, Turkey, strategically positioned just south of Istanbul. This new yard represents more than an expansion. It represents evolution, greater capacity, cutting-edge technology, and the ability to build larger, more sophisticated yachts than ever before. RMK Yachts is part of the Koç Holding, one of Turkey's largest and most powerful financial groups. This backing provides unmatched financial stability, global reach, and industrial expertise. For clients, that means confidence, security, and long-term support from one of the strongest institutions in the region. And RMK's commitment doesn't end at delivery. With a dedicated facility in Miami, Florida, RMK provides warranty service, refit capabilities, and after-sales support directly in the heart of the U.S. yachting market. Owners benefit from seamless transactions, service, European craftsmanship with American accessibility. And now a new flagship is rising in partnership with Juan Morillo of United Yacht Sales. RMK is proud to present a rare opportunity, a 58-meter superyacht currently under construction, fully customizable, designed to become the next icon of the RMK fleet. Project Orca represents everything RMK Yacht stands for. Strength and steel, timeless elegance, and a modern performance. Built in Turkey to the highest standards anywhere in the world. This is more than a yacht. It's a statement, a legacy in motion. For those ready to own an extraordinary superyacht, Project Orca awaits. Contact Juan Morillo at United Yacht Sales for full details and a private consultation.